As you now know, certain characters have a special meaning to the shell, such as the $sign or the brace, for example. We've seen that we can prevent any expansions at all by wrapping our expressions with single quotes, but what if we wanted to selectively prevent the expansion of only one element of our expression? And to do that, all we have to do is precede a special character with a backslash character, which in this context is called an escape character. To illustrate this, let's use an arithmetic expansion from the previous lesson. If we run this command, the shell will indeed expand this expression, and the echo command will output 4. If we add a second expansion and we run the whole command again, we can now see that both expressions are of course expanded. But what if now we wanted to selectively prevent the first expansion to happen, so we would literally print the $, the double parentheses, and so on. And the trick to do this is to place a backslash character right before the first $sign. As you can see, Bash is now aware that the first $sign is to be treated as any other character, as it is now considered escaped. This trick will of course work with any other expansion, such as the brace expansion for instance. Beyond escaping characters, the backslash can also be used for writing multiline commands, which appears to be particularly useful when we have to write very long ones with a lot of options and arguments. To use this feature, all we have to do is place the backslash character at the end of our line and press the Enter key. Now that we have a multiline command prompt, we can continue typing our command on the next line and repeat this process with another backslash and so on, or just press the Enter key to run it. Now, if you remember, we were getting a pretty similar behavior when using quotes, but as you can see, the difference is that backslashes won't add a new line, whereas quotes will. One last thing backslashes are useful for is to insert special characters into our text called backslash escape characters, like new lines or tabs, for example. By default, the interpretation of these characters is turned off when using the echo command, so to turn them on, we can simply use the E option like this.